Hey everyone, for today's breakdown, we considered 142 models and consulted 5 authorities while taking into account customer experience, features, ease of use, performance, and value to narrow down our ultimate list of the top 5 best budget metal detectors on the market. Number 5. The Ommo Metal Detector. This machine's key features are its lightweight and ergonomic design, its easy assembly, and extra accessories, which includes 2 9-volt batteries. It also features a water submersible 10-inch circular search coil which can reach up to an 8-inch maximum depth, and 4 modes, which include both a discrimination mode and a pinpoint mode. This model makes the list because it's a highly affordable machine, has good accuracy, it's lightweight, and has a simple VU meter-based display. We also appreciate that it comes with some free accessories, including a bag, shovel, and headphones. The cons are that the owner's manual could use some improvement, and if you're looking for pure performance, there are better options out there. All in all, the Ommo has good performance while also being a very affordable all-in-one package that is well suited for beginners and casual use. We give it a 9.5 for ease of use, an 8 for quality, a 9 for features, and an 8 for performance, with an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10. Number 4. Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 Metal Detector. The key features here are that this machine is made in the USA, features a submersible 8-inch circular search coil, has 3 modes including discrimination and sensitivity control, with a search depth of up to 8 inches and powered by 2 9-volt batteries. What makes this option special is that this detector is very well built. It's also comfortable, lightweight, and easy to use. Performance is very good as well, with impressive ground penetration for a budget machine. The cons are that this machine doesn't include a pinpoint function, and the base model doesn't include extra accessories. Although the Tracker 4 might be short a few bells and whistles, it makes up for it by being about as budget-friendly as a high-performance metal detector can get. We give it a 9.5 for ease of use, a 9.0 for quality, an 8 for features, an 8.5 for performance, and an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10. Number 3. Sunpow OT-MD03 High Accuracy Metal Detector. Key features for this machine from Sunpow are a submersible 10-inch circular search coil, 3 available modes including discrimination and pinpoint mode, and a depth display with a maximum depth up to 8 inches. It also features an LCD screen with an optional backlight and runs off 2 9-volt batteries. Our highlights here include the fact that this is a good cheap metal detector with some nice features. It's very lightweight and includes a bag and shovel as well. The cons are that the build quality and some of the features could use improvement, and the backlight, while quite useful, also increases battery usage. All in all, the OT-MD03 is a fully featured metal detector and a low-cost option that still covers the bases. We give this machine an 8.5 for ease of use, an 8 for quality, a 9 for features, an 8 for performance, and an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10. Number 2. Garrett ACE 200 Metal Detector. The key features of this metal detector are that it's made in the USA, has a 6.5 by 9-inch submersible elliptical coil that penetrates up to a 10-inch depth. This metal detector has 3 modes and an LCD display which features a digital target ID scale. It runs on 4 AA batteries. The pros of this option are it has a very solid construction and is built to last. It also has very good consistent depth, and we appreciate the target ID giving a visual scale from 0 to 100. The cons are that there is no pinpoint function. Altogether, the ACE 200 from Garrett is a high-quality but affordable metal detector for beginners that will keep up with you as you grow in experience. We give this machine a 9 for ease of use, a 9 for quality, an 8.5 for features, and a 9 for performance, and an overall rating of 9 out of 10. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Fisher F22 Weatherproof Metal Detector. Some of the main features of our number 1 pick are its ultra-lightweight build at about 2.3 pounds, its weatherproof construction, a 9-inch elliptical submersible coil which reaches up to 9 inches of depth, with 4 modes including both a discrimination and pinpoint mode. This model also has an LCD screen with a visual target ID scale that gives 4-tone audio, as well as categories for iron, gold, and silver, along with a specific FE tone adjustability for iron signals. It's powered by 2 AA batteries, which last for up to 30 hours of use. The aspects of the F22 that we love are that it's lightweight, high quality, with excellent overall performance. It has great depth and accuracy for the price range, and the distinct target tones means less looking at your screen while in use. The cons are that, like most metal detectors, the depth meter isn't foolproof as it's based on conductivity only. And although it's a great value, some may feel it's on the expensive side within the budget category. Overall, the Fisher F22 is great for extended use, letting you truly enjoy your time outdoors, and a wonderful choice for beginner to intermediate users. We give this machine a 9 for ease of use, 9 for quality, 9 for features, and 9 for performance, for an overall rating of 9 out of 10, making it our top pick for the best affordable metal detector. Still need a little more help in deciding which cheap metal detector is right for you? Have a look at our exclusive comparison chart, and take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these models. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.